Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will start by making sure your Nest unit and your phone are ready. Open the Google Home app and sign into the account that manages the device. Once done, verify the Nest shows online briefly. If it does, you can change networks without a full hardware reset. Make sure you have the new Wi-Fi name and password handy. If prompted for permissions, grant them so the app can communicate with the device. This prevents interruptions during the next steps. You'll now instruct the Nest to forget and rejoin a network. In Google Home, tap the specific Nest device, then open Settings and go to Device Information. Choose Wi-Fi and use the option to forget the current network. This clears stale credentials. After that, select the option to set up or connect to Wi-Fi, pick the new SSID, and enter the password. You must stay near the Nest while it reconnects, so the app and device complete the handshake. Finish by confirming the Nest reports online in the Google Home app and then run a quick network check. If it connects, make sure any automations still work. If the Nest fails to join, reboot your router and try the app steps again. Often a router restart clears DHCP issues. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the Nest as a last resort, then re-add it in Google Home. One key tip: check your router's band and security settings. Nest prefers 4 GHz and WPA2 compatible security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.